Hi, Emma. I'm glad to see you. Hi, Emma. I'm glad to see you.
Hi, Daniel. Me too. It's a nice day. Hi, Daniel. Me too. It's a nice day.
The park looks peaceful today. The park looks peaceful today.
Yes, the air feels fresh. Yes, the air feels fresh.
Do you come here often? Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here after work. Yes, I come here after work.
Great. I like this place. Great. I like this place.
Same. It helps me relax. Same. It helps me relax.
What are you doing here today? What are you doing here today?
I want to walk and enjoy the sun. I want to walk and enjoy the sun.
Nice. I came to do some exercise. Nice. I came to do some exercise.
Cool. What kind of exercise? Cool. What kind of exercise?
I like jogging on this path. I like jogging on this path.
That's healthy. Do you jog every week? That's healthy. Do you jog every week?
Yes, I jog 3 times a week. Yes, I jog 3 times a week.
Wow, good habit. I should try that. Wow, good habit. I should try that.
You can start slow. You can start slow.
Yes, maybe 10 minutes first. Yes, maybe 10 minutes first.
Let's walk to the path together. Let's walk to the path together.
Sure, let's go. Sure, let's go.
I'll stretch a little first. I'll stretch a little first.
Good idea. Stretching is important. Good idea. Stretching is important.
I have a small water bottle in my bag. I have a small water bottle in my bag.
Nice. I also carry water. Nice. I also carry water.
Do you want to jog now? Do you want to jog now?
Yes, but not too fast. Yes, but not too fast.
Okay, I will keep a slow pace. Okay, I will keep a slow pace.
Great. I will follow you. Great. I will follow you.
Ready? Let's start. Ready? Let's start.
Ready? Let's jog. Ready? Let's jog.
This feels good. This feels good.
Yes, it wakes up my body. Yes, it wakes up my body.
I like listening to nature sounds. I like listening to nature sounds.
Me too. I hear birds and leaves. Me too. I hear birds and leaves.
After jogging, I feel calmer. After jogging, I feel calmer.
Same. It clears my mind. Same. It clears my mind.
Let's slow down and cool off. Let's slow down and cool off.
Okay, let's walk now. Okay, let's walk now.
My legs feel warm. My legs feel warm.
That means the exercise worked. That means the exercise worked.
Let's sit on that bench. Let's sit on that bench.
Sure, that bench is in the shade. Sure, that bench is in the shade.
I'm a bit thirsty. I'm a bit thirsty.
Here, take a small sip of water. Here, take a small sip of water.
Thanks. That helped. Thanks. That helped.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Besides jogging, what hobby do you like? Besides jogging, what hobby do you like?
I like reading books. I like reading books.
What do you like to read? What do you like to read?
I like simple stories and travel books. I like simple stories and travel books.
Nice. Do you have a book with you today? Nice. Do you have a book with you today?
Yes, I brought a paperback in my tote. Yes, I brought a paperback in my tote.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is.
The cover looks interesting. The cover looks interesting.
Thanks, it's an easy read. Thanks, it's an easy read.
Do you read every day? Do you read every day?
Yes, I read for 20 minutes at night. Yes, I read for 20 minutes at night.
That's a great routine. That's a great routine.
It helps me sleep well. It helps me sleep well.
I also have another hobby. I also have another hobby.
Oh? What is it? Oh? What is it?
I like taking photos. I like taking photos.
That's fun. Do you have a camera? That's fun. Do you have a camera?
Yes, a small camera in my backpack. Yes, a small camera in my backpack.
Nice. What do you want to photograph? Nice. What do you want to photograph?
The flowers near the path. The flowers near the path.
Great, let's go. Great, let's go.
I'll take the camera out now. I'll take the camera out now.
Okay, I'll stand beside you. Okay, I'll stand beside you.
These flowers are bright. These flowers are bright.
Yes, the colors are beautiful. Yes, the colors are beautiful.
I will take a photo. I will take a photo.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Click. I got it. Click. I got it.
Nice. The light is good. Nice. The light is good.
Do you want a photo of me with the flowers? Do you want a photo of me with the flowers?
Yes, but I will look at the flowers, not the camera. Yes, but I will look at the flowers, not the camera.
Good. Stay natural. Good. Stay natural.
Click, done. Click, done.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
Sure, here on the screen. Sure, here on the screen.
It looks great. It looks great.
Thanks. Let's walk to the pond. Thanks. Let's walk to the pond.
Okay, I will keep the camera in my hand. Okay, I will keep the camera in my hand.
Look, there are ducks. Look, there are ducks.
Yes, they are swimming. Yes, they are swimming.
I will take one duck photo. I will take one duck photo.
Click. Got it. Click. Got it.
Perfect. You're really good. Perfect. You're really good.
Do you have other hobbies besides reading? Do you have other hobbies besides reading?
Yes, I like writing a short journal. Yes, I like writing a short journal.
That's interesting. That's interesting.
It helps me remember my day. It helps me remember my day.
Do you have your journal with you? Do you have your journal with you?
Yes, I have a small notebook and a pen. Yes, I have a small notebook and a pen.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
Sure, here is my notebook. Sure, here is my notebook.
The notebook looks neat. The notebook looks neat.
Thanks. I write simple sentences. Thanks. I write simple sentences.
What do you write about today? What do you write about today?
Today I write about the sunny park. Today I write about the sunny park.
Nice. Are you writing now? Nice. Are you writing now?
Yes, I will write one line. Yes, I will write one line.
Okay, I will stay quiet and watch. Okay, I will stay quiet and watch.
Done. I wrote, the park is quiet and green. Done. I wrote, the park is quiet and green.
That's a good sentence. That's a good sentence.
Thanks. Your camera hobby sounds fun too. Thanks. Your camera hobby sounds fun too.
Yes, it makes me notice small details. Yes, it makes me notice small details.
And my journal helps me notice feelings. And my journal helps me notice feelings.
I also like cycling on weekends. I also like cycling on weekends.
Nice. Do you ride a bike in the park? Nice. Do you ride a bike in the park?
Sometimes I ride on the safe bike path. Sometimes I ride on the safe bike path.
I like cycling too, but I go slow. I like cycling too, but I go slow.
Safety first. Safety first.
Yes, I always watch for people. Yes, I always watch for people.
Do you wear a helmet? Do you wear a helmet?
Yes, I always wear a helmet. Yes, I always wear a helmet.
Good. I do the same. Good. I do the same.
Great. Our habits match. Great. Our habits match.
My bike is locked near the wreck. My bike is locked near the wreck.
Mine is also near there. Mine is also near there.
Let's walk to the bike rack. Let's walk to the bike rack.
Okay, we can check our bikes. Okay, we can check our bikes.
Here is my bike. Here is my bike.
Nice. Your bike looks clean. Nice. Your bike looks clean.
Thanks. I keep it simple. Thanks. I keep it simple.
Do you want to ride later? Do you want to ride later?
Maybe a short ride. After a break. Maybe a short ride. After a break.
Sure. We can ride for 10 minutes. Sure. We can ride for 10 minutes.
Before cycling, I have one more hobby. Before cycling, I have one more hobby.
Oh? Tell me. Oh? Tell me.
I like playing frisbee. I like playing frisbee.
Fun. Do you have one? Fun. Do you have one?
Yes, a red frisbee in my backpack. Yes, a red frisbee in my backpack.
Great. Let's go to the grass. Great. Let's go to the grass.
I'll take it out now. I'll take it out now.
Okay. I'm ready. Okay. I'm ready.
I will throw it gently to you. I will throw it gently to you.
Okay. I will catch it. Okay. I will catch it.
Throwing now. Throwing now.
Catch. I got it. Catch. I got it.
Nice catch. Nice catch.
I will throw it back. I will throw it back.
Okay. Throw to my right. Okay. Throw to my right.
Throwing now. Throwing now.
Catch. Great. Catch. Great.
Let's do one more throw. Let's do one more throw.
Okay. I will focus. Okay. I will focus.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Catch. That was close. Catch. That was close.
Good job. Good job.
This is a simple hobby. This is a simple hobby.
Yes, and it makes us move. Yes, and it makes us move.
My arms feel warm. My arms feel warm.
Same, let's drink water. Same, let's drink water.
Here is my water bottle. Here is my water bottle.
Thanks, I will take a sip. Thanks, I will take a sip.
Let's put the frisbee back in your bag. Let's put the frisbee back in your bag.
Okay, then we can talk about cycling. Okay, then we can talk about cycling.
Look at the sky. The birds are flying. Look at the sky. The birds are flying.
Yes, I like watching birds. Yes, I like watching birds.
Really? That is a hobby too. Really? That is a hobby too.
Yes, it is called bird watching. Yes, it is called bird watching.
Do you have binocular? Do you have binocular?
Yes, I have small black binoculars in my tote. Yes, I have small black binoculars in my tote.
Can you show me? Can you show me?
Sure, here they are. Sure, here they are.
Wow, they are small. Wow, they are small.
Yes, they are easy to carry. Yes, they are easy to carry.
Can I look through them? Can I look through them?
Yes, hold them gently. Yes, hold them gently.
I see a bird on the tree. I see a bird on the tree.
Great, it has a bright color. Great, it has a bright color.
It looks like a blue bird. It looks like a blue bird.
Nice. Let's watch quietly. Nice. Let's watch quietly.
I like this calm hobby. I like this calm hobby.
Me too. It feels peaceful. Me too. It feels peaceful.
I will give the binoculars back. I will give the binoculars back.
Thanks. I will keep them safe. Thanks. I will keep them safe.
I'm getting a little hungry. I'm getting a little hungry.
Me too. I brought a snack. Me too. I brought a snack.
I have an apple in my backpack. I have an apple in my backpack.
I have a granola bar in my tote. I have a granola bar in my tote.
Let's sit on the bench again. Let's sit on the bench again.
Good idea. The shade is nice. Good idea. The shade is nice.
I will take out the apple. I will take out the apple.
Okay. I will open my granola bar. Okay. I will open my granola bar.
This apple is crisp. This apple is crisp.
Great. My snack is sweet. Great. My snack is sweet.
Do you want to share? Do you want to share?
Sure. Let's share a little. Sure. Let's share a little.
Here, you can have half of my apple. Here, you can have half of my apple.
Thanks. Here is half of my granola bar. Thanks. Here is half of my granola bar.
Yum. This is good. Yum. This is good.
Thanks. Your apple tastes fresh. Thanks. Your apple tastes fresh.
After snacks, we can ride our bikes. After snacks, we can ride our bikes.
Yes, a short ride sounds perfect. Yes, a short ride sounds perfect.
Next time, let's bring more hobby items. Next time, let's bring more hobby items.
Yes, maybe a small sketchbook too. Yes, maybe a small sketchbook too.